Hey, how you guys doing? Got a little treat in store today. This is my good buddy David's Subaru. I believe it's a 2019 Subaru Wrx Sti. Beautiful, super clean. I actually detail it for him on a regular basis. He's had it a little over about a year now, and we're gonna do some things to it today. Guys, this isn't really like a how-to video or installation video. Just gonna show the process and, you know, kind of document the process and what we're doing, and most definitely how it's gonna sound afterwards. Alright guys, what we're doing here, taking the exhaust off from right here. Doing a catback exhaust. Sound pretty sick. Here's the old exhaust. Old exhaust came out pretty easy. Here's all the new goodness. Let it out.
A little hard to get that one in there in the bag.
So what you doing, hanging it first?
Yeah, it might be easier to
Mock up, line everything up. Tom, don't you know you're supposed to wear gloves for these kind of installs?
personal preference.
Yeah, David's personal preference. He's greasing up his exhaust.
He'll probably have you wash.
I know, I'm gonna be up here rubbing on this under this car, on this exhaust.
Go ahead, Paul.
We noticed, guys, that this pipe, this is a stock, it's a factory pipe, but it's still an upgraded exhaust. It's an option, upgraded option from the factory. Very nice, sounds good, but we also noticed that it doesn't have a flex pipe, and it has spring-loaded bolts on here, and the new kit doesn't come with spring-loaded bolts. It has a flex pipe. So he's about to
Trying to get this to where
line these up and clamp them down, and we should be about all there. Hey, he's got like 4 Cobb stickers. I know he's gonna give me a sticker. Bam! Performance air filter cleaning instructions.
pretty sure.
Face right in there.
You're saying you can just leave it hooked up?
Yeah.
Is what you're saying?
You don't have to, but like if I want to keep an eye on like certain gauges or whatnot, you know.
You run it up.
Installed the exhaust and the intake, and now gonna reflash the ECU, I guess, with the Cobb access port tune. There we go. She sounds sick. Woo. I missed the startup. I was trying to get airport authorization to fly the drone behind the car. Here in a minute. Let it go again. Yes, sir. Woo, you hear that? You hear that? Guarantee your third gear is going to be way better. It's going to sound the most aggressive. Might be the law right there. I don't think so. That's awesome, dude. Smoking a little bit. Yeah, I mean, it's just the exhaust, it's burning off the exhaust. I can smell it. I smelled it earlier when we were. Hit with that intake a little bit.